Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Jonsbo TK-3 Pillarless front left corner case. So friend, the new Jonsbo TK-3, the case behind this concept comes in two trims, black and white, and features a vertically partitioned layout. And the compartment on the left with the spacious motherboard tray has no vertical expansion slot but a plenty of room for even the largest ASUS ROG Strix graphics card as shown below. And the motherboard tray recesses towards the front of the tray, creating room for a liquid cooling radiator and its fan such that they don't get in the way of the graphics card. And the left compartment behind the motherboard tray has plenty of crawl spaces behind the motherboard tray to route your cables, and the PSU bay is oriented sideways directly behind the upper half of the motherboard tray, and a drive cage with the two 3.5-inch bays located below. The entire left side panel is perforated. Beside the case side facing 120 mm vent that holds a 360 mm radiator, there are two additional such sets of 120 mm vents along with the bottom and top panels. Making up the case ventilation system and front panel connectivity include two USB 3.2 Type A ports and a Type C port. Besides a 4-pole headset jack, the case measures 288 by 438 by 415 mm. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.